Hey there, folks! Welcome to another exciting journey through history. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of sugarcane, a plant that's been a part of human civilization for thousands of years. This incredible plant has been sweetening our lives for centuries, and its history is as rich as its taste. You see, long before fancy machines took over, harvesting sugarcane was a back-breaking job. It required immense physical effort and determination. Men and women toiled under the scorching sun, cutting stalks by hand with machetes. It was a labor-intensive process that demanded strength and endurance. It was tough, sweaty work, but it put sugar on our tables and played a crucial role in the economies of many countries. Now, sugarcane is more than just a sweet treat. It's a versatile crop with a wide range of uses. It's a global commodity used in everything from candy bars to biofuels and even in the production of alcoholic beverages like rum. And as demand grew, so did the need for faster, more efficient harvesting methods. This led to the development of modern machinery. That's where the machines came in, changing the game forever. These machines revolutionized the industry, making harvesting quicker and less labor-intensive. But don't think for a second that this means sugarcane farming got easy. It still requires a lot of hard work, knowledge and skill. It's still hard work, demanding skill and grit. Farmers must carefully manage their crops to ensure a good yield. So stick with me as we explore the amazing journey of sugarcane from field to factory and discover the incredible impact it has had on our world. All right, let's talk machines. These days, harvesting sugarcane is a high-tech operation. Giant machines called combine harvesters have revolutionized the process. Imagine a tractor, but bigger and way cooler. These behemoths roll through the fields, using blades to chop down the sugarcane stalks close to the ground. They then strip away the leaves and chop the stalks into smaller pieces called billets. Talk about efficiency. And hold on, it gets even better. These combine harvesters are equipped with GPS and precision agriculture technology. That means they're guided by satellites to ensure every inch of the field gets harvested, maximizing yield and minimizing waste. Pretty impressive, right? Once the combine harvesters have done their job, it's time to get the sugarcane from the field to the factory, where the real magic happens. This is where those chopped up billets come into play. Large trucks or trailers specifically designed for hauling heavy loads are loaded up with the harvested sugarcane. These trucks then hit the road, transporting their sweet cargo to nearby processing facilities. It's a well-choreographed dance, ensuring a steady flow of sugarcane from field to factory. But the journey isn't over yet. Before the sugarcane can be turned into sugar, it needs a little prep work. At the factory, the sugarcane billets get washed to remove dirt, rocks and other debris picked up in the field. Then they're shredded into smaller pieces, making them easier to process. Section 4, the magic of juice extraction and purification. Now here's where things get really interesting. Remember those shredded sugarcane pieces? Well, they're about to take a wild ride through a series of rollers that squeeze out every last drop of that sweet, sugary juice. This extracted juice, however, isn't quite ready for your morning coffee just yet. It's got impurities like plant fibers and soil that need to be removed. That's where clarification comes in. The juice is treated with lime and heated, causing impurities to clump together and settle at the bottom. The clarified juice is then skimmed off the top, leaving behind the unwanted stuff. It's like a giant sugary bath, and trust me, the results are pretty sweet. Section 5, crystallization, nature's sweet alchemy. Now that we've got our pure sugarcane juice, it's time to turn it into the sugar crystals we all know and love. This transformation is a fascinating journey from liquid to solid, from juice to crystal. This process, folks, is pure science, but it's also a bit like magic. Imagine a scientist in a lab coat, carefully measuring and observing, but with a touch of wizardry. First, the clarified juice is boiled in giant evaporators, removing excess water and creating a thick, syrupy concentrate. These massive machines work tirelessly, ensuring every drop of water is evaporated, leaving behind a rich golden syrup. Here's where the real magic happens. The syrup is now ready for the next crucial step in its transformation. Tiny sugar crystals, called seed crystals, are added to the syrup. These seed crystals are the foundation upon which larger crystals will grow. These little guys act like magnets, attracting sugar molecules in the syrup, causing them to crystallize and grow into larger crystals. It's a mesmerizing process watching these tiny seeds blossom into full-grown sugar crystals. It's like watching a sugary snow globe come to life. Each crystal grows and sparkles, creating a beautiful, intricate dance of sugar. As the crystals grow, they're spun in centrifuges, which separate them from the remaining liquid called molasses. The centrifuge spins at high speeds, ensuring that every crystal is perfectly separated. What we're left with is raw sugar, ready for the final touches. This raw sugar will undergo further refining to become the white, brown, or powdered sugar we use in our kitchens every day. Section 6. Refining and packaging from raw sugar to table ready. Raw sugar, though already sweet, still contains some impurities. To get that sparkling white sugar we're used to, it undergoes a refining process. This involves dissolving the raw sugar, filtering out any remaining impurities, and then recrystallizing it. The refined sugar is then dried to remove any moisture, leaving us with the familiar granulated texture. And just like that, we've got ourselves table sugar. Of course, no sugar journey would be complete without proper packaging. Sugar is packaged in a variety of sizes and formats, from individual packets to giant sacks, ready to be shipped off to stores, bakeries, and kitchens around the world. Section 7, Technology and the Future of Sugar Production. So there you have it, folks, the incredible journey of sugarcane from field to factory. From the moment the seeds are planted in the rich, fertile soil to the time the mature stalks are harvested and processed, every step is a marvel of agricultural science and human effort. But the story doesn't end here. In fact, it's just beginning. The future of sugar production is being shaped by groundbreaking technologies that promise to revolutionize the industry. Technology continues to play a vital role in improving the efficiency and sustainability of sugar production. From advanced machinery that automates labor-intensive tasks to sophisticated software that helps farmers make data-driven decisions, the impact is profound. Remember those high-tech combine harvesters? These machines are capable of harvesting vast fields of sugarcane with remarkable speed and precision, reducing the time and labor required significantly. Well, they're just the tip of the iceberg. The array of advanced tools and equipment available to modern farmers is staggering, each designed to enhance productivity and sustainability. Farmers are now using drones and sensors to monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and even apply fertilizers with pinpoint accuracy. These technologies allow for real-time data collection and analysis, enabling farmers to respond quickly to any issues that arise. The precision agriculture tools in use today are a game changer. By applying fertilizers and pesticides only where needed, farmers can reduce waste and minimize the environmental impact of their operations. These advancements not only boost yields and reduce waste, but they also minimize the environmental impact of sugar production. By using data to drive decisions, farmers can ensure that their practices are as sustainable as possible. Sustainable farming practices are becoming the norm, thanks to these technological innovations. Eco-friendly machinery and methods are helping to preserve the environment while still meeting the growing demand for sugar. And as technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions that will shape the future of this sweet industry. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for positive change is immense. So next time you enjoy a sweet treat, take a moment to appreciate the journey of sugarcane and the hard work that goes into bringing it to your table. From the fields where it grows to the factories where it's processed, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology to transform the way we grow, harvest, and process our food. The future of sugar production is bright, and it's exciting to think about what innovations lie ahead.